Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2014 Honda CTX700 DTC. This is Honda's mid-size cruiser motorcycle. Has a 700cc 2-cylinder engine, fuel injected, DTC automatic transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has only 15,467 miles on the odometer. This bike is the dual clutch transmission, no clutch lever, basically put it in drive and go. This bike has ABS brakes, new tires, front and rear. Comes with the Honda OEM saddlebags, backrest, cargo rack. This bike is a great bike to ride, cruise around town, long trips, do it all. Price at only $57.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.